Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are out of town again, so it is time to continue the calligraphy journey. Last time I did A through F. Let's do some research on the next alphabets. Okay, first letter is upstroke, loop, and descending here. It's kind of blocked by the text, but still following lovely loops. Let's practice the G. Pretty easy so far, but I need to make my upper and lighter strokes more thin so they look a little bit better. Let's practice H next. I have to turn the pencil a little bit when I'm writing between the thinner and bolder lines, and it is making it look a little bit better. Let's work on I next. I is pretty simple with an entrance, underturn, and the dot goes in the middle here like she said in the video. And she also mentioned H was the first time we used a compound curve. Let's move on to the J's. We got entrance, descending, exit, another dot. I've noticed as long as I'm staying pretty parallel to the 55, they start looking pretty decent. Next up is K. That one was a little bit more challenging. This part that has the underturn broken up and then reconnected, I definitely need a little bit more practice there. Let's move on to the L's. L is very similar to B. All we have to do is add that little dot for B. Next is M and N. Let's finish this up. M and M are pretty much the same, underturn, underturn, compound, and N only has one underturn compound. Can't wait for next time. Video 269 done.